chulas, mis guapas. Welcome back to my channel. Hey. If you guys can see, I got a wig on, I got Christmas hat, because we are in the season of joy. But anywho, I already finished doing my whole face, foundation, concealer, everything. I'm baking right now. But I got some contacts on. Oh, hopefully you guys know what kind of look this is gonna be today. Purple and green. But I want you, because you guys, sometimes you guys like my looks and you guys, hey, did you do a video of it? I'm like, no. So I'm gonna try my best. This is my first time doing it without my husband. My husband's at work. Son's over there. This is my living room right now. I haven't set it up. I haven't set up my vanity yet, so I want to get that all set up and looking cute and stuff before I start doing videos there. But let's get started. Okay. Hopefully you guys love and enjoy, and this will just be a quick video of my look today. My loves, so I'm back. I finished the other eye off camera because I had to have like this mirror super close to my eye, so both of the looks, both of the wings can be even. But this is the look. Hopefully you guys think it's cute. I think it's cute. But whatever. Okay. So I got my I got my lashes going so they can get dry real quick. But I'm gonna go ahead and dust this dust off my face. Okay, so we are back. This is the final look. Hopefully you guys love it. It was just all purple vibes. You feels nice. Hopefully you guys liked it a lot. I'm feeling it. Hopefully you guys liked it, and pictures will be up pretty soon. So don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I love you girls, and thank you for all the support. And I always forget what to say. Thank you for all the support and love, my queens. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you girls so much. And don't forget to like, to comment, and share. Oh, and subscribe. Bye girls.